Hi everyone, this is Pam in Pam's Garden. I have my brother Bruce Koehler here, who is the owner of Down to Earth Landscapes in Santa Barbara, and he's here to help me explain to everyone how to prune a tomato plant to get the plant to grow larger or the tomatoes to grow larger.
Okay, this is the green zebra heirloom tomato, and what we want to do on this guy is get rid of some of the excess growth, so it's pushing energy up into the fruiting section of the plant. And if you look at the plant, it looks normal, it's very healthy, but there's some areas in here that we could take out, like this whole growth here. This is just pushing energy into nothing, where we want the energy to go into the fruiting part of the plant.
Yeah, the flowers, right?
So we'll just nip that off right there. That's just excess growth. We'll get rid of that. And then another good example is right here. This little guy is trying to shoot up out of the main stalk. We don't need that. That's just excess growth, taking energy.
What about like something like down here, Bruce? It's already got flowers on it, but it's coming off the main.
Well, that fruit did not form.
Oh, okay.
That whole thing there is gone. You can take that off.
Okay.
Here's another really good example. See this coming right out of the node here? There's nothing there. This is not going to fruit.
Okay.
You just nip that off. That pushes all the good energy up into the flower, so you get good quality fruit.
What about something like this on this big?
No, you know, this looks okay.
This looks okay. All right.
Yeah.
So, Bruce, what do you suggest feeding a tomato plant when it's at this stage of growth?
Well, since it's in a pot, I love to give it just a liquid fertilizer.
Okay. All right.
Being that it's in a pot, they're going to need more frequent fertilizer because it just drains out.
Right.
But it would be different if this was in the ground. You would use a whole different type of fertilization program.
Okay.
But being in a pot, just a good, any type of a nice,
organic,
well-balanced liquid fertilizer.
Okay, great. Thanks for your advice. And thanks for joining us today. It was really fun to have you in my garden.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
All right, take care. Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your day.